Black table, come quietly and sit on the floor. Push your chairs in.
No, it's...
Let's see. Green table, come quietly and sit on the floor. Quietly then. Masai, let's sit in your spot. Okay, blue table, come sit on the floor. Okay, purple table, come quietly and sit on the floor.
Ashley, throw it away, babe.
Okay, Masai, sit in your chair, okay? Okay. Y'all have been talking about flags and social studies, right? Yeah? No? Yeah. Great. Okay, you've been learning about 2 flags. Can you raise your hand if you remember one of the flags you've been talking about? What one of it stands for, represents? Let's see. Asher, what is one flag? What does it stand for? What? Either the country or the state. What's that flag for? It does have stars and it does have stripes. That's the American flag. American flag, so it stands for America. Gabe. Yeah. So did you also talk about the Georgia flag? Yeah. What state? Maybe we forgot. What about the Georgia flag? Did you talk about what state do we live in? So what flag do we learn about when we live in Georgia? Georgia. And do we have someone in here named Georgia? Maybe. Okay. Eyes on me. Kelly. So, do you remember earlier this morning we did math and we looked at which shapes had more than or less than or fewer than? So we're going to do something with that today. We're going to compare the stars and the stripes on the flags. What we're going to do right now, we're going to turn to our partner next to you. Not yet.
Sit on your butt.
You're going to turn to your partner next to you and you're going to talk about what you think the word compare means, okay? Turn to your partner next to you. Liam, you got a partner next to you. Saya. Okay, you talk to Lane. You're going to just talk to your partner next to you, okay? Kelly and Asher or Tony and... Mine doesn't have a partner. Okay, it's okay. Okay, you two talk to each other. What do you think the word compare means? It's a real short name, so you just tell your partner really quick. Okay, go back to your spots. Ursula, go back. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. On your bottoms, please. Eyes on me. Facing me. Okay, I gotta wait till everybody's quiet. Okay, everybody quiet. Looking at me. Eyes on me. Georgia. Okay, the word compare, I'm gonna write it up here so you know what it looks like. You know what it sounds like? Okay, compare is when we talk about how things are the same and how things are different. We do it a lot in math, right? Okay, so today we're going to do something when we go back to our seats and we're going to compare the stars and the stripes on the flag that we've been talking about. You're all ready to do that?
No.
Okay. Shepherd, do you want me to go back to this? Yeah. Okay, let's see you sing quietly. When we go back to our seats, there's a worksheet on your table, but you're going to sit with your hands in your lap, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Purple table, please walk to your seats. Walk. Blue table, walk to your seats.
Oh.
Black table, please go back to your seats. And green table, please go back to your seats. You're sitting with your hands in your lap. You don't need any materials out yet, Araceli. Green table, Amelia, your blue table. You're on the back of your seats.
I like the way Sophia's sitting at her table quietly. Thank you. I like the way Georgia went to her seat and is sitting quietly. Thank you, Maya. Asher.
Okay, we didn't have that. It's not written our name. Okay.
Alright, while we're waiting, everybody go ahead and get out your pencil pouch. I just need you to get out your pencil, a red crayon, and a blue crayon. That's it, okay? Hey, that doesn't require talking, guys. And when you're done, raise your hand so I know you're done. I don't know how to get this on.
There's like a. There it goes. Yeah, you got it.
When you're done, quietly raise your hand. Ooh, Kara's done. Thank you. Thank you, Amelia. Make sure you put your pencil pouch up. Put your pencil pouch up there, Sally. You got them? Yeah, you can go ahead and write your name. Go ahead and write your name. I see that. Good job, Tony. Huh? Not yet. Not yet. Listen for directions.
Take out a red crayon and a blue crayon, please.
All right. When you're done, I need you to touch your head. Oh, good. It looks like most of us are done. All right. So we just, Miss Curva just talked to you about comparing and how we've been looking at, which flag is this? What flag is this right here? The American flag. This right here is the American flag, okay? And what flag is this?
Georgia flag.
There we go. Yes, this is the Georgia flag.
I see the coat of arms.
Wow, I'm kind of impressed. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to count together the number of stars and stripes on each flag. So we're first going to start with the American flag. So who thinks they can raise their hand and guess how many stars are on the American flag? And guess. Tony? 50 stars. Let's find out. Come get a pointer and let's count together.
52.
Oh, this is right. All right, Tony's got a pointer, and we're going to count the amount of stars on the American flag together. So can you point to all those teeny tiny stars? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
50.
Good
job, Tony. No, there's only 50. So is Tony right or wrong? Right. How many stars are on the American flag? 50. That's right. All right. So right here, everybody has the exact same paper that Miss Shepherd has. Okay. So right here it says American flag and it says stars. So I want you to take your pencil and I want you to write the number 50. What two digits make up the number 50? A 5 and what? A 0. Good. So write the number 50.
You're right
here.
American flag on the
50
star. Right where Miss Shepherd wrote it. You see it?
Go ahead.
Right here.
Go ahead and write 50.
Now look
Thank you,
where Miss Shepherd
Sophia.
wrote it.
Right
She
here.
wrote it right here. Right here, Ursula.
Mine looks just like yours.
Right here. Miss Shepherd wrote it right up here where it says stars. Step up on.
51, 52,
All right. When you're done, I need you to put your pencils down so we can count the amount of stripes on the American flag. So you guys sit down at your bottom, okay? Who wants to guess how many stripes are on the American flag? Maria? do you think are on this flag?
I know it.
3? No, not 3. Who else has a good guess? Raven? 8? Alright. 18? You think there's 18 stripes? Alright, and then can you come get a pointer and we're going to count the amount of stripes on the American flag. Alright, right here. Alright, everybody count together. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. How many stripes are on the American flag? Alright. I know. Alright, so 13. So right here on your sheet it says stripes under the American flag picture, and you're going to write the number 13.
Right under where you just wrote 50, you're going to write the number 13.
Hey, when you're done, I need to see you with your hand in the air. And waving at me like you just don't care. Doesn't require any talking. Alright, now let's go ahead and look at the Georgia flag. Who thinks they can guess how many stars are on the Georgia flag? On this flag right here. Sophia, how many stars?
13.
13. Do you think she's correct?
No.
No? Sophia, let's go find out.
Yes.
We're going to count the stars. Listen, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Was she right?
No.
Yes, there are. No, I think it's not 100. There are 13 stars on the Georgia flag. So under Georgia flag, it's stars. Everybody write the number 13.
Okay.
Right up here. Right here, buddy. 13. Yeah, see, there's the Georgia flag, and right under it. There you go. In this box. There you go. I'm so glad. Good girl. You got it, Miss Sarah? Good. Write 13 again right here. So there's 13 stars on the Georgia flag. All right, quiet. Everybody look at me. Look at me. All right. I think we all can just shout out how many stars on the Georgia flag. Up. Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3. Write the number 3 under stripes for the Georgia flag. I'm gonna have to erase this. Sorry.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Good job, Christine. You guys got it?
Here, I got it.
Good job. You got it.
All right.
It's just 3. You got it. 3.
Now, everybody, whenever you're finished and you filled in your blanks, hold your red crayon up so I know that you're ready to move.
Not doing anything with the red crayon, just putting it in the air. Sit down.
Okay, so now we're going to, okay, you can put your red crayon down. Alright, so listen, so now that you have your red crayon, what we're going to do is we're going to compare the number of stars and stripes on each flag, okay? So how many stars were on the American flag? 50. How many stripes were on the American flag?
54.
Stripes. How many stripes?
56.
13, thank you.
50.
Y'all, how many stars on the Georgia flag? 13. How many stripes? 3. Okay, so now we're going to compare. So everybody's number 1 looks just like Miss Shepherd's, and it says, does the American flag have more stars or stripes? So does the American flag have more stars or more stripes?
More stripes.
Raise your hand if you think it has more stars. If 50 is more than 13, raise your hand. All right, raise your hand if you think the American flag has more stripes than stars. You can't raise your hand for both? All right, well, 50 is more than 13.
Yay!
So the American flag has more stars. So with your red crown, circle stars.
Use your red crayon, you're going to
Oh,
circle
well, that
stars.
was
Just the one star right there on the bottom. Or Miss Shepherd just circled it. You don't have to draw a star, you're just circling the stars in the picture.
Yeah, good. All right, when you're done, pick up your blue crayon and hold it up in the air.
Okay,
And we're gonna. That's not blue.
This is.
All right, so we're gonna go to the next question. Does the state of, or the Georgia state flag have more stars or more stripes? Who can raise their hand and tell me the answer? Liam? Does it, okay, so you're saying 13 is more than 3?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Is he right? Yes. Okay, good. So circle stars with your blue crayon on that second one.
Which one is it? 13 or 3?
Okay, and when you're done with that, flip over to the back and try to figure those out on your own. I'll help you. Yeah, go ahead and turn it to the back. Turn it to the back when you're done.
I don't want to do
All
all
right, so which
these.
flag has more stars?
Crazy cheeses. What I myself? How did this get here?
Okay, black to blue. Are you done? You're going to flip it over.
Okay, so the first
Sophia,
one says which flag
It
has
says,
more
which flag has more stars? Do you remember?
I remember.
That one? Okay, so you're going to color that one in, okay?
All right, circle which one you
Oh, wait, sorry, Sophia, I told you wrong. Circle it, okay? Okay, which flag has more stars?
Good job, Messiah.
I can make a big circle because both of them. Yeah, they both have a lot of stars.
On this one. Yeah, you're right. So you're going to circle this one, okay?
Good job.
Yep. You're going to circle it. Ready?
Which flag has more stars?
There you go. Okay, which one has more stripes? Hold on one second. Come here. That one. Okay, circle it. Okay, good job. Okay, you're going to leave your kids here and sit 1 second with your hands in your lap. Yes, Tina. Okay, you got this one. So now we're doing which flag has more stripes.
All right, when you're done, turn it back to the front.
Turn it back over to the front. Good job, Asher.
It's okay. When you're finished, turn it back to the front. Thank you, Kira. All right, and when you're done, you can color the American flag and the Georgia flag. What color should you use? Red and what? Red, white, and blue. That's right.
I can write it how
You've got 5 minutes to finish coloring your flag.
You got 5 minutes.